Hey guys, welcome to the Elementor Addon widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Adblock Detector extension made for the Elementor 7.0 update. You need to move inside your WordPress dashboard and open the Extensions tab of Elementor Pro. There, you'll find the Adblock Detector extension. Turn on the extension switcher and save settings. Now inside the target page where you'll use the extension, go into the page settings option and you'll find the Adblock Detector section in there. Click on the section and turn on the switcher. Update the settings and the extension will be activated on the current page. Now let's preview the page. If your users are using an ad blocker app right now, they will get this notification warning them about the blocker. That's how this extension works. Feel free to use it for your cause. Don't forget to like this video, please subscribe and share this channel and get updates on new tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.